Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the fork screw securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel by aligning the tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.